In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a order on Romwe 2025, step by step. If you placed something by mistake or changed your mind, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click so your cancellation goes through smoothly. Start by opening your browser and going to www.romwe.com. Make sure you're signed in to your account. You'll typically find the sign in option at the top right of the page. Once you're logged in, your account menu will appear. Being signed in is important because your orders are linked to your account and you won't see the cancellation option otherwise. Next, head to the My Order section. This is usually under your account menu. My Orders is where Romwe lists every purchase you've made along with the current status of each one. Take a moment to look for the specific order you want to cancel. It helps to check the status column here. If an order is still processing or hasn't been shipped yet, you'll generally see a cancel button. If the cancel option isn't visible, that usually means the order has moved too far along, often already shipped, and can no longer be canceled. Click into the order you want to cancel so you can review the details one last time. Confirm you're selecting the right item, size, and quantity. When you're sure, look for the cancel button and click it. Romwe may prompt you to choose a reason for canceling. This is a standard step that helps them understand customer feedback. Pick the option that best matches your situation. After selecting a reason, click Confirm to finalize the cancellation. You may see a pop-up asking you to verify your choice. Just confirm again if prompted. Once the cancellation is successful, the order status should update to canceled, and you'll typically receive a confirmation email as well. Refunds usually go back to the original payment method. Processing times can vary by bank or payment provider, so give it a little time to appear on your statement. A few quick tips to keep things smooth: act promptly because the cancel button is only available before the order is too far along in processing. Double check your order number and items before confirming so you don't accidentally cancel the wrong purchase. And keep an eye on your email for any follow-ups about your cancellation and refund. That's it. By logging in, opening My Orders, selecting the correct order, clicking cancel, choosing a reason, and confirming, you can cancel a Romwe order in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this saved you time and stress.